Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. How's that Fed clarity working for us now? I think I saw one of the polls out today that had less than 1% of the people polled looking for no taper. Everybody had assumed $10 to $15 billion taper, or at least the vast majority. Well, they're not tapering. We've been getting some weaker economic data lately. Maybe that's what prompted it. Doesn't matter. They're not tapering yet. They may never taper ever again. Caught the bond market definitely off sides. It was interesting that we had the big sell-off this morning on the GOP tough talk about the debt ceiling, but the market started coming right back, and actually the bonds were actually near their highs after the sort of early morning GOP comments. And boy, I was sitting there waiting for a dip on the number on the Fed statement. We never got it. Hopefully you're able to grab something on the way up. There was plenty of opportunities, so we'll see. Full-blown corrective trade going now. We've met one of the first objectives, the recent highs at 125.28. The bonds still have a little bit of a roll gap up above us here from 132.15 to 132.28. I think we'll fill that. What do we do after that? I don't know. I'm not sure. But, you know, the next couple days, the market's caught off sides. It's going to take a couple days for people to get, you know, back to whatever bogeys they're trying to shoot for. I think we will see some higher prices. Wouldn't be surprised to see the market dip back. I'd love to see a trade back down like 125.11, 12 in the 10-year note. Give you a chance to buy a dip. The trade above 125.28 opens up the door to what, the 126. Oh, what was the level? It was the August 12th highs. Hold on one second here, guys. I don't want to put out some bad info here. The August 12th highs around 126.30 plus on the 10-year. I think it's around a 26.55 yield. That's our next objective. I think we'll see that sooner rather than later. The way people got caught off sides here, the dips aren't going to be very deep, and I think the upside is obviously more vulnerable still at this point. Game plan going forward, buy dips and keep an eye on the economic data. You know, the housing data this morning was weak. I thought, you know, that was kind of suspicious that the market actually sold off after we got the weak housing data. Strange moves, strange days. You know, I think the Fed has done just about everything they could do wrong. You know, starting back in May with the comments about the possibility of a taper, I think they should have just kept their mouth shut. I hate to say it, but I'm kind of longing for the Alan Greenspan days when even when he did speak, you didn't understand what the heck he was talking about. So you'd sit there and you'd watch the economic data and let that pave your way. But can't go back in time, unfortunately. So moving forward, have a great night, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.